subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, in the previous video, that is yesterday, I have explained you about profit, loss and cost price, selling price and about also overheads. So I want all the students to comment down in the comment section that what is overhead expenses, and you have to tell me in which condition there is a loss and in which condition there will be profit. You all have to comment down in the comment section. So students, now I am going to begin the exercise, that is exercise 7C, page number 116. So let me read the first question for you. Rahul bought a sofa set for rupees 25,000 and sold it for rupees 32,000. What was his profit or loss? Now all the students have to answer in the comment section that Rahul has gained something or he has lost something. That means, is there any profit or is there any loss? So the cost price of sofa set is rupees 25,000 and he has sold the sofa set at rupees 32,000. So that means the cost price is less than the selling price. That means Rahul has earned something. He has got profit. Okay, he is in profit. So now what is the formula for the profit? The formula for the profit is selling price minus cost price. So the selling price is 32,000 and the cost price is 25,000. So 32,000 minus 25,000. What will be the answer, students? It will be 7,000. That means Rahul has earned 7,000 after selling the sofa set. So that means he is in profit. Now let me read the next question for you. The questions which I am solving in the video are your classwork, and if I am skipping any questions in the video, that will be your homework. Now B option is Harish weaves baskets at his home in Assam. He makes a profit of rupees 350 on a basket. He sells for rupees 800. What is the cost of the basket? Now in the previous question, the cost price was also given to you, the selling price was also given to you, and what you have found? You have found the profit. Now in this question, the selling price is given to you and the profit is also given to you. You don't know what is the cost price. So yesterday itself, I have told you how to find out the cost price and what will be the formula for cost price. So all the students kindly comment down in the comment section what is the formula for cost price. Till then, I am solving this question for you. So kindly pay attention, students. So students, what will be the first statement? The first statement will be is rupees 800. And what is the profit earned from one basket? That is rupees 350. That means Harish is selling the basket at rupees 800 and from every basket the profit earned by Harish is rupees 350. So now what will be the cost price of basket? Whenever there is a profit, the selling price is always greater than the cost price. So to find out the formula for cost price, what is the formula for cost price? It is selling price minus profit. So what is the selling price? It is rupees 800 and the profit is rupees 350. So to find out the cost price of the basket, rupees 800 minus rupees 350, that is rupees 450. 450 is the cost price of basket. So I hope you must have understood this question also. Now moving on to the next question, that is option number C. A shopkeeper bought goods worth rupees 7,800. His overhead expenses were rupees 3,500. He sold the goods for rupees 13,600. What was his profit or loss? This is a little bit typical question for you, but if you have understood the concept of overhead expenses, then you will be able to solve this question also. So let's move on without wasting time, students. So the first statement will be the cost price of goods. So what is the cost price of goods? It is rupees 7,800. And what are the overhead expenses? The overhead expenses are rupees 3,500. Now what are overhead expenses? Overhead expenses are the transportation charges. It can be the charges which are charged to the customer or the shopkeeper in transportation while exporting or importing. So students, now to find out the total cost price, what we have to do? To find out the total cost price, we have to add the overhead expenses to it. So let's begin without wasting time. So students, the total cost price will be CP plus overhead expenses, that is 7,800 plus 3,500. So once we will add both the numbers, the final answer will be rupees 11,300. Now to find out if there is any profit or loss, we have to check what is the CP and what is the SP. So the selling price is 13,600 and the cost price is 11,300. That means there is a profit. So how will we find out the process? What is the formula for finding out the profit? You have to comment down in the comment section. It is selling price minus cost price. So let's find out the profit, students. So students, the selling price of the goods is rupees 13,600. Since the selling price is greater than the cost price, that means there is a profit. So to find out the profit, what is the formula for profit? Selling price minus cost price. So 13,600 minus 11,300. So the final answer will be 2,300. So there is a profit of rupees 2,300. So that's all for today. 2 questions are remaining. I will be solving those 2 questions in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care.